Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, you're highly welcome. Please don't forget to click subscribe so that you'll be notified when I post a new video on my wonderful tutorials. So also don't forget to click the notification icon. Today I'm just going to be talking about how to convert your straight hair to a coily hair. Okay, I'm just going to start by brushing out the hair to make it smooth and easier to work with. The iron I'll be using today is the Posh one. I got it from Idumota Market, somewhere in Idumota Market. So this is what it looks like. The name is Posh. I have some essential oils poured on top of my shea butter, so I just pour it out. It's not really shea butter I'm using right now. Different kind of oils. Coconut oil, castor oil, blah blah. No, there's no castor oil there. A lot of oil. Now I'm just going to secure the top part of the hair, the wig, to enable me work easier or easily. I'm just going to secure that part of the hair and focus on the down part of the wig. When I'm done with the down part, then I can now start working my way up. To go through this method, I'm just going to work in little sections, because the bigger the section, the less defined the curl would be. Let me come again. The bigger the section, the less defined the curl would be. I'm just going to set my 1 to 150. You can set it up to I think 180 or 200, and the minimum is 130. So I'm just going to leave it at 150 because I don't want stories that touch the heart. I'm just going to put the one below the hair and roll my way through the one. Just hold it that way. I'll just hold it that way so that it can be defined. The curls would have to form, because if I just take it out immediately, it will just be all, you know. You can see how defined the curl is. So I'll just continue the same method all the way through the hair. You can see how defined the curls are. So now I want to start by dividing the top part into two and start working in. I just divide it into two sections, left and right. Then I'm just going to curl one side. So you can see how defined the curls are. It's just so beautiful. I didn't know this straight hair can be this coily and beautiful. I'm blown away. So this is what the first half looks like, and I'm just going to work on the other half. Then I'll show you what the final result would be like. Keep watching, keep watching. Okay, this is the final result, and this hair is looking mwah. I'm blown away. It's so beautiful. The curls are defined. Although the closure at the top part is a short one, but it's still doing the work for me. I don't know. It's not as long as the hair itself, but it still does it for me. I like it. It's beautiful. You can see the end result, and you can as well comb it out to give it that wavy look. Depends on what you like. If you like it curly, you leave it this way. You just loosen the curls a little bit by separating it. And if you like wavy hair, you can just comb it out. It makes it fuller. It makes it beautiful. Now I'm just gonna try out my hair. This hair, respect yourself. Okay. You can see the short closure sticking out, but not to worry. You can still manipulate it into the hair, into the coils, and it will look better. I actually wore this the wig without a mirror, so I don't know what it looks like on my head. But I'm still going to place it properly like I just did now. Yep. And look how defined the curls are. It's so beautiful. I love it. I'm going to do this again and again and again and again. I won't get tired of it, trust me. So now I'm just going to loosen the curls a little bit by separating it so I could get more curls. You could do whatever you like with your hair. It's all up to you. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. I love you. Bye. Don't forget to click the picture to the right to subscribe. You know I love you.